Umbraco Award for Best Designed Site. In the category Best Designed Site, beautiful design is the determining factor when the jury selects the nominees, not only visually, but also in respect to web standards, where stunning design meets clean markup. And the nominees are Mentor Digital with the site treeaid.org. Mentor has created a refreshing and modern approach to a charity website for tree aid. Tree Aid works with local communities in the drylands of Africa to help them grow and protect trees. The site design has extended Tree Aid's offline brand guidelines and uses a combination of video, impactful imagery, micro UX touches, and animated statistics to make a compelling case for users to donate. The work has paid off and has led to a 240% increase in users and sessions and a 210% increase in revenue. Yo-Yo with the site memorycloud.org.uk. With this piece of work, Marie Curie and Yo-Yo have helped 7,000 individuals share and begin a conversation on the most difficult topics of loss and grief. The site highlights the support services available and provides a calming, safe space where people can share memories of lost loved ones. By carefully integrating the Marie Curie brand and the daffodil, they created an experience that was immediately familiar to users. The design approach used a cloud of petals and memories, helping users connect their own experiences with those of others and help diffuse the feeling of being alone and isolated. Know It Experience with the site opera.se. Know It created a beautiful site for the Opera of Gothenburg that combines aesthetically pleasing visuals on the site with a high level of creative freedom for the editors. This allows them to present shows on the website in an inspirational and engaging way, while it's still easy to work with for the editors. The site is inclusive and accessible and lives up to the WCAG AA accessibility standards, and is supporting the customer through the whole journey before, during, and after their visit.